Money isn't what you think it is. It's all made up. From shells to Bitcoin, humans have been inventing new forms of value for thousands of years. Let me blow your mind. When ATMs first came out, kids thought there were secret tunnels connecting them to banks. But the truth is even crazier. Most money today is just numbers on a screen, with no physical form at all. Our ancestors started with basic bartering, trading fish for wheat, cows for tools. But that was super inefficient. You needed two people who wanted exactly what the other had. Try trading half a cow, good luck with that. So we got creative. First came collectibles like shells and beads. Then gold became the ultimate money for centuries because it was rare and shiny. But carrying gold around was a pain, so we invented paper money as I owe us for gold. Here's where it gets wild. In 1971, the US completely disconnected dollars from gold. Money became pure trust. We all just agree it has value. Banks can even lend out way more money than they actually have. Wild, right? Then Bitcoin showed up in 2009 and flipped everything upside down. No banks, no government control, just pure math and code. Only 21 million will ever exist, and if you have the private keys, no one can take it from you. Bitcoin is like the internet of money, a protocol, not a platform. You don't need anyone's permission to use it. It survived countless attacks and keeps getting stronger. Sure, the price is volatile, but that's what happens when you reinvent money itself. Think about it. We went from trading seashells to sending digital value across the world instantly. Money isn't about the physical thing, it's about trust and agreement between people. Bitcoin might just be the next evolution of that trust. The future of money isn't in your wallet, it's in the code. And whether you love it or hate it, this revolution isn't stopping anytime soon.